Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can animate your text in CapCut using the new 3D text template. So here I've already opened my project and I want to add the text, a 3D text animation. So what you guys need to do is just go to text at the bottom and then click on the text template in here. Then you'll see there's a 3D category beside the trending tab. So just click on that tab and here are the 3D options that you can choose. But please be note that this feature can only be used if you are on the CapCut Pro. If you don't, you need to subscribe or pay for it first. Okay, just select, I'm going to just select one of these text animation. So for example, I want to add this one, the blue ones right here. Just click on that, and to change the text you can just click on the text like this, a double tap and remove it like this, then write your own text. Okay, like this. Just click on the check icon when you're done and adjust on how long you want the text to appear in your video. So here's the result, and that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thanks below, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you all in the next contents. Bye.